Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. One of the ways that I like to do that is by using healthy home and face and body care products from Jordan Essentials because it's an easy one-stop shop with lots of great healthy, natural, botanically based ingredients. They do all the research to make sure there's nothing bad and everything's good and good for me. So I like to just go there for all my basic skincare needs, for my family's needs, for even some cleaning supplies to use around the home. And of course, I am a Jordan Essentials consultant, so I'll have everything linked down below so you can check that out. But meanwhile, I have the January Joyful Jordan box to share with you. It's coming to you a little bit late because of the snowstorms and all the changes in schedules that we've had around here, but hopefully you're cozy and able to watch and enjoy. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. So as I mentioned, we are in the Midwest and we've been experiencing the snow and sleet and winter weather over the last since the beginning of the year. And it's meant a whole week off of school extra for my daughter and lots of time home together as a family, which has been wonderful and I've been enjoying it. But I've kind of gotten off of some of my usual routines and schedules, so I missed getting the January Joyful Jordan unboxing video up at the beginning of the month. So I'm sorry about that, but hopefully it's still coming to you at a good time where you can sit and enjoy and just see what this box holds. So the Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials. Jordan Essentials is a company that's been around since 2000. I've been with the company since 2004, so a long time. And they're out of Nixa, Missouri, so everything's made in Missouri, botanically based ingredients like I mentioned. Everything's made in small batches and fresh batches right there at their home office. So I love that I know that I'm getting good products that are fresh. They're not sitting on boats in harbors somewhere across the ocean, across the world. Everything is just fresh and good for you. So I always love that about our products. And the monthly surprise box, the Joyful Jordan box, you can purchase the box anytime. It's $30. You don't have to subscribe if you just want to buy one box and try it out, or get 3 or 4 because it's all your favorite products and you want to stock up. That's fine too. You can, of course, subscribe, and when you sign up for a subscription, it just charges your card automatically each month. And when the box ships out, you won't be charged for shipping. So you get free shipping with the subscription. So it's a great way to try out the products. What I love about these Joyful Jordan boxes is they're always valued at least $40. For instance, this box is valued at $48.50. So for $30, you're getting a great deal. They usually have some exclusive items that you can't get in the regular catalog. Sometimes they'll have 1 or 2 items that are in the catalog, but because they're all bundled together in this box, then you are getting a good deal on them. So it's just a great way to try a large variety of our products and some unique items, some exclusive items that you can't get in the catalog. So if you're not real familiar with our product line and you're just not sure where to start, sometimes I suggest just starting with the Joyful Jordan box because it'll give you a little something different to try each month, and you can kind of go from there and decide what products you might want to purchase, or if there's a certain product line you want to go in and get, stocked up on. If you're just searching for the topical magnesium, we've got a whole product line with that. If you're looking for face care and skin care, we've got lots of those kinds of products. Makeup, if you want household cleaning items and just things to use for the whole family, there's lots of lines where it just kind of focuses on that. So you can decide, if you want a little bit of everything, or if you want to go down a rabbit hole and get all of, the whole product line, there's lots of ways to do it. So without further ado, here is that January Joyful Jordan box. So like I mentioned, $30 for the box, $48.50 for this particular one. Each one is going on the value, $48.50 for the value for this one. And then each box is going to come in this cute package. So it comes in the box that's pre-printed. It says a little box of awesomeness. So I like to remind people too, these are great for gifting if you're looking for something kind of unique or something different to send to someone. I even have a customer who has a subscription, and each month they change who they send the box to. So she just kind of listens and chats with family and friends as a month is going on and decides who she's going to send the box to next month, just to send them like a little goodie box, a little, collection of blessings and something unexpected for them to enjoy that month. So that's another way you can use our subscription boxes. All right, so the card is going to have either a Bible verse or something inspirational and kind of seasonal on the front. So this one says, face each day with joy in your heart, gratitude in your spirit, and excitement for what lies ahead. And of course, this snowy scene with a little greenery at the bottom is definitely reminiscent of what I'm seeing out my window right now. And the back of the card will talk about the products and tell you how to use them, which is great if you're sending this to someone who doesn't know anything about our products, or if you yourself are trying it and you're not familiar with the products. I'm super excited about this one, by the way, because all three of these products are things that I use. I especially love the Hydrolicious cleanser and the Mojito mask. Those are two of my favorites. The Daily Dew is an awesome, just standard product that I use all the time. So this is a great way to try some of our face care products and get a little bit of everything, something to cleanse, something to treat, and kind of do a mask every once in a while, maybe once a week. And then our Daily Dew moisturizer is just a great, very lightweight moisturizer. So you can try all these things out and kind of get a feel for what some of our face care product line is like. So we'll start off with the Hydrolicious, and the card says, gently cleanse away impurities while maintaining moisture. Enjoy the plumping power of hyaluronic acid to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Apply cleanser onto a washcloth or clean fingertips. Gently massage into face and rinse. Super easy. I love the consistency of this gel cleanser, and what I really love is how my skin feels after I use it because of that hyaluronic acid, which is something our bodies make naturally, and it's what our skin uses and our tissues use to help hold moisture in the cell. So when you use this as a cleanser, my skin always feels just soft and moisturized afterward. I just love the way that my skin feels when I use that. So I typically keep one in my shower, and I shower pretty much either morning or night, sometimes twice a day. It just depends if I'm having to refresh my curls or something. But anytime I'm showering, then I use my Hydrolicious cleanser as my face cleanser in the shower. And some of the other benefits of that Hydrolicious cleanser is that hyaluronic acid is going to be plumping. So it does help to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles, fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps, of course, to remove impurities, and it's going to maintain moisture balance with your skin. It has glycerin as well, which allows your skin to retain moisture levels, and it keeps it feeling dewy and soft. And of course, it's free from parabens and phthalates because we don't have that in any of our products. So that's your Hydrolicious cleanser. Then we'll go to the Mojito mask, and this is a starter size. So mine says it's a 2 ounce, but I think it's actually just a 1 ounce when you order. I got this one early, so this one might have been like an oopsie where they sent out the full size product. But I know when you look it up online, it says it's a 1 ounce, and I grabbed mine that's already open because I just kind of wanted to show you the consistency. So this is the one I've been using. And so mine is a 2 ounce, but I think it'll be a 1 ounce when you get the box. So it says detoxify and refresh your skin with the cooling benefits of the rosemary, spearmint, and lavender essential oils. To use, apply an even layer to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. So I love the way this one smells. So that lavender, spearmint, and rosemary combination of essential oils is so good. It's one of my favorite masks we've ever made. It's just the right amount of being like cooling and refreshing, but it's not overly drying. And I love using this. About once a week I'll do this. So typically what I'll do is put it on before I'm going to shower. So I'll put on my robe, pull my hair back, put my mask on, and just kind of hang out, putter around the house or something for about 10 or 15 minutes. And then once I'm ready to hop in the shower, then it just gets washed off in the shower. Of course, you could do it where you wash it off with a washcloth at the end too. But it's one of my, I just love the smell of it. One of my favorites as far as our masks go. And the other thing, some of the other benefits of that Mojito mask, I just wanted to look them up. So it has calming and anti-inflammatory properties. It does have the cooling properties, which helps to minimize pores. It's soothing after wind and sun exposure to the elements, etc. And it restores skin tone and texture. So it has rosemary essential oil, which helps tone and firm skin, and it has anti-inflammatory properties, and it also improves circulation. It has spearmint essential oil, which is a natural astringent, so it helps to minimize the appearance of pores. Lavender essential oil promotes cell regeneration and helps even skin tone, and it moisturizes and balances. It also has aloe leaf juice, which helps repair damage of wind and sun exposure, and it's soothing and hydrating. It has coconut oil, which is rich in fatty acids to help plump and restore dry skin. And it has vitamin E, which helps protect the cells against free radical damage. So just a lot of really good benefits to that rosemary mojito mask. And to me, this is a really good one for all skin types. So doesn't matter, age or skin type. I think this is a good one to try. And I always tell people too, if you're trying one of our masks for the first time and maybe you have sensitive skin or you're just not sure, just try it for 5 minutes, see how your skin's feeling. If you feel like that's enough, you can always wash it off after 5. I never have any issues, and I usually leave it on for 15 or 20 minutes, but it kind of depends on the mask and the properties of the mask. But this one I feel like is just a really good general all-purpose mask. So, use as you would normally use a mask. All right, then we'll move on to the Daily Dew Moisturizer. And this is one of our general basic moisturizers. It's good for all skin types. So it says, hydrate and balance your skin with a lightweight, non-greasy formula, leaving a natural glow. To use, apply a thin layer to clean skin morning and night as part of your skincare routine. So again, this is just one of our good basics, and a little bit about it. I wanted to show you mine. So this is mine that I've been using. So it's just this really, lightweight, thin moisturizer. What I love about our moisturizers too is the way they're formulated. Your skin will just take that moisture and use it wherever it needs. So it'll kind of pull the moisture to the driest areas of your skin on your face, but it's gonna feel great. It's super lightweight, like it's already soaked in, and my skin just feels moisturized and soft, but I don't feel like I have product on my skin. So this is a gentle, soothing moisturizer. It's going to soften and replenish skin. It contains ingredients with anti-aging properties that help reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It can help build collagen and smooth skin. Some of the key ingredients are vitamin E, which protects cells against free radical damage, and it has glycerin, which is used to treat oily skin conditions like acne, wrinkles, and fine lines. It attracts moisture to the skin, and it is an emollient, which just means it holds that moisture on your skin. So there you go. That is everything in our January Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. Like I mentioned, a great introduction to our skincare line. Some of our 3 best selling products, some of my 3 favorites that I use all the time. So for $30, this is a really good way to just kind of jump into Jordan Essentials face care and see what you think about it all. So we have our new spring summer catalog coming out on February 1st. So stay tuned for a little more information about that as we get closer to the beginning of February. And I just wanted to share some of our other specials this month. So every month we'll have a customer special. For that, when you spend $50, then you get that bonus item for $5. So this month the bonus item is our shower spray, which is exclusive. It's not in our regular catalog, and it's a highly concentrated blend of essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, and lemon. And it's great to use just like 1 or 2 sprays, and your whole bathroom or your whole shower is gonna smell like you're at the spa. I love it. It's one of my favorites, especially this time of year when it's kind of dull outside and cold. It's just a great little refreshing spray. And as a pro tip, it also works really good as a toilet spray. So if you want to just set it on the back of the toilet, because it's got those great essential oils, it's going to make the whole room smell fresh and clean after someone's used it if needed. And then our host incentive. So host just means you collaborate with me or whoever your Jordy is, and sometimes you have like a catalog party where everybody just orders from you online from your special link, and then they look through the catalog. You can do it where people come to your house. There's lots of ways to collaborate and be a host. But when you're a host this month, you get our special frankincense boosted balanced bliss. So this is one of our age defying serums. I like to use it as my primer under my makeup, and you get that one either for $5 or free depending on the size of your party sales. And that is exclusive. So normally it doesn't have the frankincense. So this is a special one that's boosted with frankincense. Of course, we went over the Joyful Jordan box, and then our join special. So if you decide you want to sign up to be a Jordy and join my team, which there's a link down below for that if you're interested, basically just means you would get your 25% off all of your products that you purchase. And if you decide you want to share it with friends and family, you get 25% of their product purchase sales too. So it's a great way to kind of jump into having a little bit of a side business, or just get all your Bath and Body products at a discount, which is how I started. I just signed up because I wanted a discount on the great products, and that's what I did for many years until I decided I wanted to make it a business. So you can do it however you want to do it. But the join special this month is you get our Glow Getter serum. So this is a Glow Getter face oil that has orange and frankincense essential oils, which is one of my favorites. So I typically put that on in the morning after I've cleansed my face and before I do my Balanced Bliss Primer face serum. So I kind of pair those two together under my makeup. So that's a really good one too if you decide you want to join. And then, like I mentioned, we'll have our new catalog coming out on February 1st. So stay tuned for that and more details to come. Other than that, wherever you are, I hope you're staying warm and cozy and enjoying this beautiful weather we're having, this winter weather. Hopefully no power outages, just cozy weather where you can sit inside and enjoy the views. So I am sending you my love and well wishes. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and stay tuned for another planner video coming to you soon. Other than that, I'll look forward to seeing you again in my next video. And P.S., this box is only available till the end of January. I don't know if I mentioned that, but each box goes away after that month is over. So you can get this one now in January 2025, but as soon as it's February 1st, it's gone, and you'll just have to buy those products at the full price in the catalog. All right, that's it. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.